How will astronauts manage waste during Mars missions? Imagine living in a tiny space home for months or even years, with no quick trip to the trash bin. That's what astronauts face on Mars missions. Managing waste in space is a big challenge, especially from Earth. Unlike short trips in low Earth orbit where waste can be sent back or stored temporarily, Mars missions need a plan for long-term waste handling. Astronauts will start by compacting their trash. They use special systems like the Trash Compaction Processing System, which squashes waste into small, stackable tiles. These tiles take up less space and are easier to store. The system also recovers water from waste and cleans gases produced during processing. This way, waste is turned into useful materials instead of just trash piling up. Another method being tested is converting waste into gases. This process, called thermal degradation, heats waste to break it down into reusable gases or safe exhaust. The ash left behind needs careful handling because it can be tricky to manage in low or reduced gravity environments. Automated systems are being developed to handle this ash safely, with minimal crew involvement. Recycling is a key part of waste management on Mars. Astronauts will reuse materials whenever possible. For example, they can turn waste into raw materials for tools or building supplies. This approach, called in situ resource utilization, helps reduce the need to bring everything from Earth. It also makes the mission more sustainable and less dependent on resupply missions. Organic waste, like food scraps and inedible biomass, can be processed in bioreactors or composting systems. These convert waste into useful products, such as fertilizer or even partial food regeneration. Complete oxidation of all waste isn't practical because it can upset the balance of gases like carbon dioxide in the closed life support systems. Training astronauts on waste management is essential. They learn how to operate these systems safely and efficiently. They practice handling waste to prevent contamination and maximize resource recovery. These procedures are designed to work in the confined spaces of spacecraft or habitats on Mars. In the future, waste management on Mars will combine mechanical compaction, thermal processing, recycling, and biological treatment. All these methods aim to keep the habitat clean, support long-term sustainability, and protect crew health. The systems are built to be reliable and easy to operate, ensuring astronauts can focus on their mission while keeping their environment safe and tidy.